So, hi everyone. If you really want to convert your passion for baking into a profitable business that you can do from home, this video is for you. My name is Dipti Harshad Vartak, and I'm here with my super baker Anita. Anita is a graduate from our online baking academy, and I'm so happy to share that in just a short span of 30 days, Anita was able to bake beautiful cakes, decorate the cakes beautifully as well. And within just a matter of 3 months, she was able to launch her profitable home bakery business, and she was able to cross minimum 25 cake orders that she has taken from the comfort of her home. And I'm so happy to share that so far she has generated a revenue of more than 60,000 rupees by selling these beautiful, tasty cakes from the comfort of her home. Okay, now before I go ahead, let me tell you that these results are not typical. Okay, it requires a lot of dedication, lot of hard work, and it also requires an investment mindset as well. So let's hear it from Anita how she was able to achieve this kind of results from the comfort of her home. Okay, so over to you, Anita. Heartiest congratulations, and it is so great to do this Hall of Fame interview with you. So, can you tell me who all are there in your family? Which city are you from? And what was your profession? Like, you are doing this has become your profession. But before starting this professionally, what were you used to do?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, I live in Hyderabad. So before I am a software engineer, and after marriage, I have to leave my job because of location and some family issues. So
Okay.
then I started to prepare for bank exams.
Hmm.
So after 3 years, I got pregnant.
Hmm.
So in that point, I have to leave that one also. Means
Okay.
after preparing also, I have to leave that field also. So during lockdown, I started baking cakes and all by seeing YouTube. I started to try many recipes. So
Hmm.
for every occasion in the family, I used to make cakes also.
Lovely.
So, but I want to start my career, but don't know in which way I have to start.
Hmm.
And yeah, I don't know what to choose also. So, like
Hmm.
which field I have to choose, I don't know. So once I have discussed this with my sister-in-law.
Hmm.
So she tasted my recipes and she gave an idea. Like little bit of baking, no? So why can't you brush up that knowledge? So like that she gave. So
Wow.
then I searched for some like courses. Your advertisement came in YouTube, ma'am.
Oh.
So that's how I joined your course.
Okay, okay. So, can you tell us a little bit about your baking journey before joining the program? In the sense, it was because you are already baking. So, I just want to understand what made you join the online program as such.
Like before also I have baked many recipes by seeing YouTube videos, but that are not perfect, man. Like
Perfect.
uh, they are not giving accurate measurements and all. Like if we have any doubt, they are no one to clarify our doubts.
Clarified that
So
out.
after
Okay.
joining this course is like I get very accurate results, like
Hmm.
perfect measurements and all.
Wow.
So I like this course very much. That's why.
Wow. So, Anita, can you tell me your initial thoughts? Like, what were you, because it is an online program. So, what were your initial thoughts, or were you skeptical about something when you started the program?
Like before means before this joining this program,
No,
like
no. After,
uh,
like, you joined the program, you took a
yes,
decision
ma'am.
to join the program. But were you skeptical about something, that how this will work, or, something like, did you have any
um,
doubts as such?
no, I'm very excited to start baking and I want to decorate the cakes, ma'am. I like the decoration part also. So
Awesome. Awesome. Awesome.
whenever I
Lovely.
see any recipe, I want to try it. That's
Nice, nice, nice. So, can you tell me a key lesson or maybe any particular technique that has really helped you? Because you said earlier your baking was not nice. So, what is that one thing that helped you?
like be- uh, after joining your course, ma'am.
Yes.
For starting 2 to 3 weeks, I faced some issues, ma'am. Like
Mhm.
for baking muffins and that cake also, that texture was not that much fluffy and not it is not baked. Like after
Right.
attending your live sessions, my
Mhm.
doubts were cleared, ma'am. Like
Wow.
which rate we have to bake, like which
Mhm.
temperature for muffins, that will be different now for muffins and cakes. Yeah,
So
that should
after
be
that,
good.
after the live session, you were able to get
Yeah,
perfect
yeah, ma'am.
texture?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Lovely, lovely. So can you tell me, see, because the online program is made up of what? Step-by-step guidance, and then you have cake recipes, you have cake decorations as well, you have community as well,
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
you have these live sessions, Q&A sessions, live coaching sessions as well. What according to you is the most valuable aspect of the program that helped you?
That Facebook community, ma'am, I love that. If we have any doubt also, that their Facebook community, there are many people, no? Like if you are
Awesome.
not available, that remaining people will come and help us, no?
Fabulous. Fabulous. So online community is the
Yes,
best
ma'am.
thing that you can find out.
Yeah, and
Lovely.
that live
Super.
session also, if we have any doubt, like instantly we can clear that doubts on it within 1 week. Yeah.
Hmm. Awesome. Awesome. Lovely. Super awesome. So can you share a specific instance where you felt that yes, now I have really got the knowledge of how I can launch my professional home bakery business, because up till now you are just baking and decoration, you are just fixing that part of your home bakery. So what kind of support did you get in terms of building your skills, business planning, marketing, or grabbing in customer acquisition as well? Did you get that knowledge also inside the program?
Yes, ma'am. Everything from basics to the pricing, advertising, total, I get from your course only, ma'am. Pricing
Okay.
also, like we are very like we don't know that business aspects and all, no. So in
Hmm.
your course we can learn from A to Z.
Hmm.
Simply we can learn that A to Z aspects total.
Fabulous, fabulous. Tell me something now. You have got 25 cake orders so far, right? You have made a massive revenue as well. So, what is your goal for your home bakery business for next 3 years?
Like I want to grow more in this field, ma'am. Like I want to bake more cakes, like wedding cakes, like huge cakes will be there. So I
Lovely.
want to bake that cakes also.
Awesome, awesome. You want to be a cake artist.
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome.
I want to
So
grow more in this field also
lovely.
and
And
be independent also.
absolutely. And who all are there in your family, you said?
Yeah, I have 2-year-old kid, ma'am, and my
Hmm.
husband, myself.
Okay, okay, okay. So how are you able to achieve this balance? Because see, a 2-year-old kid itself is going to take a lot of your time. Plus, you have other family commitments as well, and these orders are also coming now. Baking, decoration, selling, then again taking orders, like next day orders. So how are you able to achieve that balance? If you could share some knowledge about that.
Like mostly I will bake when my kid sleeps, ma'am, or
Hmm.
else I will wake up early in the morning around 4 or 5, like that. I will wake up and I
Wow,
will complete my job.
wow, that is really fabulous. Amazing.
My
So,
husband also supports me a lot, ma'am. Like he used to bring some raw materials if any urgency needs. Like
wow,
that, he supports me a lot, ma'am.
awesome, awesome. That is so great to hear, right? Because see, managing something with the kids is really hats off to you, the kind of balance that you are doing. Plus, you have amazing husband as well who is helping you in this. So, can you also share about what your family, what your husband, and what people around you are talking about you as a person at this point of time? Because earlier, maybe they were looking at you just as a homemaker, and now that you have a business, you are earning your own money, you are financially independent as well. So what are they talking about Anita version 1 versus Anita version 2?
So actually, my husband gives me many means advices, ma'am. Like if
Hmm.
my decoration is not up to the mark, he uses to correct me
Wow.
instantly. Like he don't do any makeup like that. He used to correct me. So many customers also reviewed that cake was very tasty and all. So I have to improve more in decoration. I think that, yeah.
Hmm.
Also writing on the cake, I don't know, means I'm learning the writing on the cakes.
Correct, correct, correct. But in general, how are they talking about you as a person? Right? Okay, let me put this question in a slightly different way, right? Before joining the program, you were different, Anita, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And after joining the program, let's say after taking 20, let's say after generating a hoping revenue of 60,000 rupees, it is a different Anita, right? Totally different. So are you feeling confident right now?
Yeah, I'm feeling very confident, ma'am.
Yes. Are you feeling very happy right now?
Yes, ma'am. Very
Because,
happy. Yeah, I got very confident, and uh, if any urgent order came, means I can manage that one also, ma'am. With your
wow.
curd recipe, yeah, with your
Yeah.
premix recipe, homemade premix recipe, yeah, we can manage that urgent orders also.
Awesome, awesome. So now you are confident that
Yes,
let any order come, I'll be able
yeah.
to make it, right? So you are happy, you are confident, you are financially independent as well. So what people in and around you who have seen you just a matter of few months ago and right now, what are they talking about you at the moment? Do they see you as a changed person or they are happy that you are a businesswoman like that?
Yeah, whenever I go outside, they like they look me something differently, ma'am. Oh, you came outside now. You are busy, very busy now. You came outside, like that. They say, ma'am.
Awesome,
Yeah.
awesome, awesome, super
My
awesome.
friends, whenever I post any WhatsApp status and all,
Hmm.
my friends also reply me. This is cake was amazing, like that.
Wow. They are giving you that feedback.
Yeah, ma'am.
Lovely, lovely. So, can you share a specific feedback or let's say a testimonial which your customers are giving you, which is highlighting the quality or the professionalism that you are bringing in your cakes?
Like so, I got to listen from many customers that the sugar levels in the cake are very balanced, ma'am. It is
Wow.
not high and not low. That sweetness is very balanced. The
Hmm.
flavors and all very balanced.
Awesome. Awesome.
That's the main review, and they like the taste very much, ma'am.
Awesome. Very nice. Very nice. So you are setting yourself apart by uh, uh, giving these kind of flavors for your cakes. That is really awesome. So can you tell me, based on your experience, what sets this program apart from another baking courses that you must have come across? Let's say on YouTube or maybe any offline classes that you would have come across. What sets this program apart from them?
Like while baking or in any job, we have many doubts now, ma'am. Once
Hmm.
we start that experiencing that like baking or else, we have many doubts. So once we clear the doubts, we need to go forward. So
Hmm.
this program mainly resolves the doubts and helps us.
Nice, nice,
And the
lovely.
program has many means these recipes are very clear and, yeah, clear cut. So we can blindly follow them.
Nice, nice, nice. So, let's say someone is hesitant about investing in an online program like a Super Baker program. What would you say to convince them that, this program is worth it? Go for it. What would you like to say to them?
Like I didn't attended any programs like this, ma'am, but I would highly recommend this program. Means
Hmm,
one who want to independent and grow in their life, this is the correct course for them, ma'am.
lovely.
Yeah.
Super awesome. So, you did tell us about the community, about your vision, about your passion for baking, about how your family is supporting you, right? And I believe that all of these things are possible because, again, as a person, as a super baker, um, first of all, you had decided what you want to do in your life. It is not just that um, from social media only you are learning so many things. You decided to follow a system, you followed that, you took action on that, and because of which you started seeing massive results in your own home baking journey, right? You are happy, you are confident to take any order, and you are financially independent as well, so that even your husband is also supporting you, because of which you are able to do a beautiful balance in your business and in your family life as well. And I'm so much happy to hear that from you, Anita. Again, thank you so much. Now, guys, all of you all who are watching this interview, if you are getting inspired by what Anita has shared so far, do like this video and share it with minimum 5 people who need to hear this today, right? Someone who is struggling with their baking, with their decoration, or someone who is having an aspiration to launch their home bakery business. Please do share this video with them. And also, if there is someone in your family and friends who really want to do a mark in the baking industry, I'm sharing the link of my Super Baker program in the description below for you guys to get started. Because see, inside the community, people like Anita are learning baking, learning decoration, learning how to do business, everything from home, and they are also being able to achieve big milestones in their bakery business in terms of revenue, right? They are getting transformed in their bakery business, they are getting transformed in their life every single day, right? So this is something that you should not miss out on for sure. And Anita, thank you so much for sharing what you have shared. It was very, very inspiring for me. It is very, very inspiring. I'm 100% sure it is very, very inspiring for our viewers as well. And guys, if you are from Anita's city, please make sure that you are checking out the social media handle of Anita's Home Bakery, which I'm putting in the description box of this video. Please do order from Anita because she really makes amazing cakes. She really makes amazing decorations, and you should not miss out on that as well.
Thank you so much,
Well,
ma'am.
so thank you, Anita, for sharing your success story with us. And any last pointers that you would like to share with the viewers? Over to you.
Like, if you want to be independent and want to bake, and also bake cake for your family members and want to grow your business, just join this course. That's it.
Lovely. So sweet
Thank
of
you,
you.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So, Anita, thank you so much.